Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your image using this really cool AI background remover here in Remaker AI. So if you haven't got yourself a Remaker AI account, go ahead and head over to remaker.ai and simply sign in with a Gmail account if you have one. Once you create an account, you get 30 credits, guys, and you can use it to test out this. And if at any point in time you feel like you want to upgrade, just simply head over to price at the upper right and purchase something of your choice. You can find a link within the description where you can go ahead and register your account, sign up, and so forth, right? So once you're inside Remaker, just simply go ahead and click at the top where it says AI photo editing, right? And you will look and you will find this option here that says background changer. You can quickly click on that and you can basically upload your image and change the background of whatever you want. Now I'm gonna just quickly find an image here on my PC. Let's go ahead and take this picture right here. And it's a picture of a baby, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the background first. Now that's the first bit. Once you upload it to this tool, it's gonna quickly remove the background, but don't be worried, it's not only gonna remove the background. Now after this, what you can do is choose the option here where it says change background, right? So you can click on that. And from here, you can upload another background image. If you have something on your PC, you can go ahead and you can upload that so that you can change the background. In my case, I'm going to just choose something here. So let's go ahead and have a look at some of these and to see which one could look really nice with the kids. So let me see some options here that could be really nice. Let's see how this looks. That looks kind of funny, but let me use something that's gonna give us some really good contrast. So let me see how that looks. Maybe not that. This could be nice, and let's see how this one looks. This could also be really cool as well, right? So let's say we want to work with this, and all you have to do, guys, is just simple go ahead and choose done. And once you're done, here's the next step that I would like to show you. Don't just download the image. I would recommend that you even upscale it. So you can go to upscale right here, and you can upscale your image. So as you can see, once you click on it, it just automatically start to do that for you, and this is a game changer. Now this is going to upscale your image, and so you're going to make you get the best quality of your image right there. There's also another option that I can show you as well that will allow you to enhance the image afterwards as well. So that's going to make it even better before you actually download your image, and it's going to ensure that you get the best quality of image. So this is the enhancer, guys, and as you can see, it's currently giving me a really nice image. I'm going to show you afterwards. I'm going to quickly download that, and then I'm going to take it to a whole new level with the enhancer. You can choose to download it right here. You don't have to even wait because the image is actually fine. You can just simply go ahead and hit download, and you will get your image downloaded on your PC. Yeah, so now that you have the image, so let me show you the image that I've downloaded so that you can see it. So this is the image, really nice. And as I said, I'm going to show you a whole nother step that you can take with this to make it really cool. So I'm going to go back to my different tools here, and I'm going to show you another tool that's going to help you to take it to a whole new level. So at the top here, you will see AI Enhancer. So click on that, and here you will see the option to basically upscale your image. We have done that already. So once you're here, don't just simple click on the enhance, and you can just enhance your image, and it's going to make your image look so much better, really good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, for example, an image that I've already done here in my PC. This is a really good one, so you're going to have a look and see how I enhance the image. I think it was this one here. Have a look at that. Quality looks super cool. So you can easily, and this was the original, guys, and as you can see, when you basically enhance the image, this is another one as well, really good. So you can easily enhance any image that you have, guys, that you want, right? I believe this was an image of myself that I've enhanced. Really cool. So it's very easy and very simple. So you can quickly add any image that you want to in this section here and enhance them, and it's gonna take it to a whole new level. With that said, guys, really appreciate if you find value here within this video, and if you do, Don't forget to give this video a like. Check out Remaker AI. There's a ton of different things that you can do with this tool. And as I said, go ahead, create your free account. Start. You have 30 credits that you can use for free, but if you so desire, you can easily go ahead and upgrade. They also have some free tools that you can use, so you can start by playing with these free tools, and you will see if you want to upgrade. But if you want, go ahead, choose a package. You can choose the 200 credits one or the 530 credits ones. They're pretty cheap, pretty reasonable. It's very convenient. You don't have to subscribe. You can just pay, get your credits, and use it at your convenience. With that said, thank you guys for watching. The link is in the description and also in the pinned comment. And thank you guys, and see you in the next video.